I got my first real six-string.
Good evening, Mrs. Alonsis. We are going to tell you something about our game, and we are going to illustrate it.
So our game is a very old game, what was played on excuse me for the car, on the countryside, on several forums. The target of the game is to pull the tractor on a distance of 5 meters as fast as possible, but like in every game there are several rules. In this game there are 3 important rules. The first one is when you fall while you are pulling, you are disqualified. The second is when you start slipping, you are also disqualified. And the last one is when the tractor isn't moving the first 10 seconds, you are also disqualified.
6.5 hours later.
The necessities are not difficult. We have a tractor, a rope, and a flat street. You can play it with 2 persons, but also you can play it with a maximum of 8 persons. So 2 groups of 4 people. So Jente is going to start with the pool, and we'll. Okay, Jente. I'm going to pull.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. A second time. 2, 1, go! He's moving. He's moving. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Almost, almost. Yeah, it's a full pull. You try to pull the tractor for the second time. Come on, Jente, pull it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, Jente, come on. You can do it, you can do it. Full pull.